Hey guys, this is our 17th video. It's on a triangle. It's a boat problem. A boat is being pulled into a dock by attached to it and passing through a pulley on the dock positioned 6 meters higher than the boat. If the boat is being pulled in at a rate of 3 meters per second, how fast is the boat approaching the dock when it is 8 meters from the dock? Great, so this is what I did. This is my ugly boat that I drew. I tried my best. Art wasn't for me. When it's 8 meters from the dock, this is 6 meters higher. Okay, it's being pulled this way. And this is going to be, if the rope is being pulled at a rate of 3 meters per second. So let's see. This 3 meters per second I put out here belongs to this here. Why? Because you're pulling it towards the dock, and if you guys know anything about the Pythagorean triples, we know that this is a 6, 8, 10 triangle, okay? You can do a squared plus b squared equals c squared to figure that out. So that's actually what we are going to be using to figure out the rate on how fast the boat is approaching the dock. So I need to know what, let's call this guy here A, let's call this guy here B, and let's call this guy here C, okay? So 2a dA dt plus 2b dB dt equals 2c dC dt. All the 2's cancel out, so that helps you reduce. I know my A is 6. I don't know what rate that's changing. My B is 8. I don't know what rate that's changing. My C is 10. I don't know what rate that's changing. Okay, so let's talk about the rates of change. I'm actually looking for dB dt, so I'm going to substitute dB dt there. I know that the rope is being pulled by this dock over here, so at 3 meters per second, okay? So that's going to be 3 meters per second. Now, this person here, this dock, it's not changing ever, and for that reason, that's 0. We know that this person right here, as the boat gets pulled in, this gets shorter and shorter, so that's changing. We know that this is changing because it gets shorter and shorter, but this never ever changes, and therefore that's 0. Okay, 0 plus 8 dB dt equals 30. Divide by 8, divide by 8, and you get dB dt to be 30 over 8. They both have 2 in common, so it's 15/4. And because it's being pulled in, it should be a negative. So that means my 3 should have been a negative in the beginning because it's being pulled. The rope is being pulled in at a rate of 3 meters per second, so that's negative. If it was going out, it would be positive. Okay, so I hope that helps. Once again, the height is not changing, and therefore the rate that the height is changing is 0. This bottom is going to be changing because the boat keeps changing positions and the rope keeps getting shorter, and therefore dB dt and dC dt, they stay in, and dA dt gets a 0. Okay, that's how we